In this video, I am going to share with you how to install a free PDF converter on your laptop. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button down below. I will see you in the next video. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Click on the search box and type PDF Gear, then press Enter. You will see the PDF Gear website. Click on it. After the website opens, you'll see a free download option available in the upper right side. Click on it. Wait a few seconds and the download file will appear. Now, click on Start Download. Wait a few seconds for the file to download. Once the download is complete, click on Open. Now, choose your language and then click on OK. Again, click on Next. Here, make sure it's set to I agree. Then click on Next. If you want a custom location, click on Browse and save it to your desired location. After that, click on Next. Again, click on Next. Now click on Next once more. Here, click on Install. Wait a few seconds for the complete application to install. After the installation is complete, click on Finish. This app is totally free and doesn't need any internet connection for use. Here, click on the Convert from PDF tab. In this app, you can convert from PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PNG, PDF to JPEG, PDF to text, PDF to PPT, PDF to XML, and also PDF to RTF. Now, click on the Convert to PDF tab. Here, you'll see that you can also convert Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, PPT to PDF, Image to PDF, RTF to PDF, and Text to PDF. If you want to convert Word to PDF, click on this option. Here, click on Add File. Choose the Word file you want to convert to PDF. After that, click on OK. And the file will be added. Now, click on Convert. Wait a few seconds. And that's it. Your Word file has been converted to PDF for free.